In recent weeks, the Israeli aggressions against Palestine have been increasingly described as genocidal. Still, others are quick to disagree despite the intense violence and high death tolls. So, how do you actually recognize genocide? The legal definition of genocide can be found under Article 2 of the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide, or short, the Genocide Convention. It states that genocide involves committing acts with the intent to destroy, wholly or partly, a national, ethnic, racial, or religious group. These acts include killing, harming, intentionally causing conditions to physically destroy the group, preventing births, and forcibly transferring children. Unlike other crimes distinguished by severity or victim count, genocide is defined by the perpetrator's specific intent to destroy a group, wholly or partly. Even though a significant number of Palestinians have been killed as a result of Israeli military actions, proving genocide requires demonstrating that Israel had the specific intent to destroy the Palestinian people as such. Proving intent is difficult. States will avoid making explicit references to genocide or the destruction of a group. The court typically associates clear intent with an established state policy or an organized plan and requires very clear, convincing evidence to determine genocidal intent. It's important to note that genocide involves the deliberate targeting of a group. Accidental killings don't qualify as genocidal acts. Again, it can be difficult to prove whether a person was targeted on purpose or accidentally. Genocide can happen in times of peace or during a conflict. It is enough if only part of a group is killed, as long as that part is identifiable. The legal definition of genocide has faced criticism for being too narrow, excluding certain groups, such as political groups. Usually, states need to agree to be bound by a convention, but the crime of genocide is considered so severe that its prohibition applies universally. The Genocide Convention allows states to bring cases in front of the International Court of Justice related to disputes around the application of the Genocide Convention, genocide, conspiracy, incitement, attempts to commit genocide, and complicity in genocide. The term dispute is important here, as it means that states need to first have some form of exchange on the subject matter and disagree with each other before a case can be referred to the court for settlement.